hi there. I've been on Teachers Pay Teachers since 2012, and there are still some things on the Teachers Pay Teachers site that sort of elude me. One view might be different on the desktop version versus on the mobile version or the app. I'm going to point out a feature today to you. Yes, you might see my new dog behind me. That I think will be really helpful. And let me know if you haven't seen it before. So I'm just going to share my screen. Okay. So I am in my Teachers Pay Teacher store. If you aren't sure already, I have a Teachers Pay Teacher store, but I also have a website store on theliteracynest.com. So you have two different shopping options. Now, the thing that I noticed that I don't see when I'm on the mobile version is the custom category section. And it's a little, I think, confusing when I may be trying to help a customer find a particular resource, but maybe they're on a mobile device and I'm not. This really shows beautifully on the desktop version. So if I'm looking at my computer or my laptop, the custom categories are put in place there for a store seller to help their customers find things more easily. So what I have done is create names of categories according to particular topics. And one topic that, let's just look at one that you might be interested in, let's say grammar. If I click on that topic, then if I click on that category, not topic, then any of the resources having to do with grammar in that category will show in the view. So if I'm looking for something on nouns or verbs or prepositions, that shows what I have there. And it will say, I believe, the number of resources in that category. And it will, and if there are more than the ones shown, then there'll be a page that you can click to go to the next page. When you are here, if you want to close out of that category, then you can just X out, and then it'll take you back to the original custom categories page, which took me a minute to get to. All right, so now I'm back to the custom categories and I can choose the ones that I want. Perhaps you're looking for all of the sets that are decodable passages. Then I would click on that category. Perhaps you're looking just for resources on R controlled vowels. Then there's a category for that. I kind of sound like, oh, there's an app for that, right? There's a category for that. So if you are finding that this is a new thing that you hadn't noticed before, definitely check it out and let me know if it's been helpful to you. If you're wondering that, there's a category that's not there, or there's something in a category that you couldn't find, definitely reach out and let me know, and I can see how I can rearrange things or add things in there. All right. Well, thank you so much once again for always supporting the Literacy Nest TpT store or the Literacy Nest website store. And I hope you have a great day.